video because there was some interference. And we had to refigure something because concrete, all concrete does is mix up cars.
Go to the back because he fell off the truck.
I'll try and get him to go good this time.
Oh yeah.
Pierce, don't do that.
He's not even hooked up one bit.
Okay, Pierce, tell me if that guy gets. Tell me if any guys get scratched up, okay?
Hey, got you.
Oh, I have to be here. Yeah, I have to be here.
Oh yeah. Gotcha. There's cars, Ben. There has to be cars in the way.
Cut.